Hello everyone, welcome to the Domain Dresser. In last video, I have told you how to do automation settings, and in this video, I am going to show you how to do staff management. So here is a staff management, and in that here is the administrator users. Click on that, enter the password. Here in administrators, you can see the name of administrator, email address, username, and this is a admin role. In this, here you can set the admin role. If you want to add new administrator, then from here you can add your new administrator. So next is a administrative roles. In administrative role, you can see full administrator, sales operator and support operator, each having their own restriction operations level. You can see here WHMCS has already predefined access level. You can see from here, and from here you can customize the access level and can define who get access to what. So I will keep it as default and click on save the changes. So our changes are saved successfully. Next is a two-factor authentication. Click on that. Here you can see two-factor authentication adds an additional layer of security by adding a second step to the login process. So you can use Google Authenticator application. By using, you can increase your security mode. So it is a good option to you to use two-factor authentication. And last is a manage API credentials. Click on that. From here, you can manage the API credential. So in this way, we have done staff management setting.